this class, and today I'll take the value of the flower, page number 90. Few questions are framed here. Flowers are even eaten. So what are the different flowers, ways we use flowers in our daily life? You know that flowers can be eaten as well. Many flowers cooked as vegetables. In Uttar Pradesh, Firoza and Nilima enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flower. In Kerala, Yamni wants her mother to cook her vegetable made up of banana flowers. Then Mamata and Omar, who are from Maharashtra, love pakoda made up of shajan flowers. Shajan mane shojne flowers, that means domestic flowers. So these all flowers are very common, and we also eat some kinds of fruit, vegetables made from this flower, like the banana flowers we eat, like this pumpkin flowers we eat, some other kinds of flowers also we eat, making pakoda and other kind of dishes. Okay, so it is given here, are flower cooked in your home as a dry vegetable, a gravy dish, or a chutney? So in our house we make all kind of dishes out of this. So the first answer we will write, in our home. You can write, in our home flowers of banana, sajan and kajnar are used for making sabji. So the answer first, find which flowers used in your home. So the answer is, in our home flower of banana, flower of banana, sahajan, kachnar, are used for making sabzi. Pumpkin flowers, are used for, what they are used for? Pakoda. Okay, now the next answer, flowers used for medicine. We know which flowers we use for medicine. Rose flower is used for medicine, sunflower is used for medicine. There are so many, even the periwinkle is also used for medicine. So there are so many flowers, we can name them, which are used for medicine. So write down flowers used for medicine, used for medicines are rose, sunflower. Next one is given, how is rose water used in your home? It is used as medicine, sweet, lassi or something else. Find out and tell other things. So the rose water is actually used for the eye drops, and it is also a good skin toner, and we use this also added in sweets and the lassi for taste. So write down, how is rose water used at your home? How is rose water used in your home? So the answer is rose water used for eye drops, eye drop, skin toner, skin toner, and also added in sweets, and lassi. Okay, so the rose water is rose water used for eye drop skin toner, and also added in sweets and lassi. Okay, so this is the answer. Now for the next question, write it down, and then we will write the again page number 91. Few questions are given. So the 91 page, find out and write the names of some more flowers that are used for making colors. So the flowers used for making colors are marigold, then hibiscus, marigold, hibiscus, rose, bluebells, bluebells, bluebells are there, then palash, you can write palash. So these all are the flowers we used for making different colors or different type of colors. Next one is, can you think of color which there is no flower? So yes, we can think of a color which actually color a color of which there is no flower. write the name of color which there is there is no flower. Write the name of a color in which there is no flower. So we can write answer is silver color or and gray color. We do not find any silver color flower. We find white color flower, but we never find the silver color flower or as well as the gray color flower. Now write the name of such flower which are used for making scent. So the flowers used for making scent. The flowers used for making scent. This is question number 6, and the answer is jasmine, lily, rose, champa, night queen, etc. So jasmine, champa, night queen, rose, these all are the flowers by which we can make the scent, because they all are having very good scent or very good they are very nice to smell. So that's all for the day, and the next day we will just carry on the page 91 and the other part of the chapter. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.